Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the mesh top on Dress to Impress. So the mesh top's location is in this area. It is this one here. If you put it on, you can see that I have the mesh top on here. You can toggle it to 1, 2, or 3 depending on your outfit, and you can also toggle it to the thick mesh top slash fishnet, whatever you want to call it. But that is it for this video. Super simple. It's a really cute item, I think, and the masculine and feminine body can both wear it. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.